Time now for a special holiday edition of Morning Rounds. This week, a prescription for holiday gifts with an emphasis on health and wellness. Here to share some of his top holiday picks is CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus. Doctor, good morning. I see we have a theme here relating to sleep. And there are countless studies, of course, that say it's not just the quantity of sleep, but also the quantity. So is there anything here that can help you track your sleep, and how important is that?
It's great. But first of all, they're not all for sleep. The book is not meant to put you to sleep.
The book is good. For some of it, unintentional
I didn't
side
want to get in
effect.
trouble on this one.
Okay, Santa Claus, what do you got?
So this is a device that goes under your mattress and is plugged into your wall. And then what it does is it monitors your heart rate, your sleep, how deep it is all night. And so I use it, and I started to see, I have 2 glasses of wine, I don't sleep as well and as deep. I'm stressed, I don't sleep as well. I've actually changed my behavior by having this under the bed. And the cool thing is you don't have to charge it and do whatever, it's always there. You know, these are Bose in-the-ear headsets. And what they do is, for the first 20, 30 minutes of sleep, you program it to white noise, the ocean or something that puts you to sleep. And then it's quiet and it blocks noise. Because you can't have noise all night, or your brain never gets the quiet it needs to regenerate. And so this does it for the first 20 minutes and allows you to sleep deep.
And they're comfortable? I mean, because sometimes I think when you have something in your ears, you're not really wanting them to be there all night and you can't fall asleep.
Some people don't like anything. These are small and deep and cushioned. And so for me, they actually work. I was shocked how well they worked.
Okay. What about, I see, I'm looking sort of here towards the footwear. We think socks when we think Christmas or Hanukkah you might get, but this is a little bit different and this might actually help.
Yes, I want you to sleep with these on. So this is, believe it or not, Dr. SCHOLL'S, and with your iPhone, they take pictures of your foot in all different positions, then it goes into a computer and 3D prints support for your feet, and they're personalized. Actually, my name is on it. And you get it a week later in the mail, and you put it in your shoes, and it makes you actually stand in a straighter position, helps your knees and your hip when you walk. You know, they asked 80-year-olds, what are the 2 things you would have done differently in your life and health? Number 1 was take better care of my teeth, and number 2, better care of my feet.
Affordable custom orthotics that you can buy for someone?
That's what's so cool, is that these are inexpensive. And your doctor may have done hundreds of these. Well, they're doing millions of these. So there's a lot of data that they work.
What's the price point basically on the earbuds? Because I got a fire truck that lives across the street, and I could actually use something like that.
They're in the kind of $200 range.
Yeah, so they're expensive.
They're expensive,
but sleep could be worth it.
Anthony, sleep is priceless.
Are you hoping Santa brings you one of those?
I'm just, I'm getting ideas.
I'm looking at this blanket here because I love sleeping with a heavy blanket. What does this provide?
Well, there's data that a heavy blanket actually makes you release hormones that makes you feel happier and better. And so you feel kind of more content, and you're lying there almost womb-like with this blanket. And because it's weighted, it's not too heavy and hot. It actually makes you feel better when you sleep. And there's a big trend to using them now.
The thunder shirt for humans. And how about Stephen Hawking's book here?
Steve and I had the privilege of working with for a little while. He's a remarkable man, and this is his family put together the answers of the questions that everybody asks them. Is there a God? What will AI, artificial intelligence, do to our society? Is there life living in space? All of these answers are here. And, to me, I want you to stimulate your brain during the holidays. Don't just sit back and have a drink. I want you to actually push yourself. And these are the questions that are deep within us. We all have these. And I want you to think about them. And so a book like this actually pushes that.
A book and a blankie, that's all I need.
That's all you need. Maybe a cup of hot cocoa.
And good feet.
Dr. Agus, thank you very much.